Hi, it's daytime. Let's open the stickers. I think I printed 6. Ah, it's so cute. This one is Dream. This one is Sweet. This one is Crater. Crate? Crater? Ooh, Cosmos. And blue. Wow. Let me just take them all out. So we currently have 11 of them. That means we have 10 to go. And I think I only have 8 left to draw. Wow, so cute. It's so cute together. Look. I have my sketchbook over here. All of my artworks are inside. I've set up my scanner. My scanner is Epson Perfection V600 Photo. It's been working really nice for 7 years now, and I just really appreciate this big boy. It's not a little buddy, this is a big boy. It's been helping me a lot. And I just scanned up these 2. I forgot to bring them back to my friends. Let's set that aside. And I'll be using this to scan the artworks into my computer. My current progress is garden, so it means I would need to start scanning after garden. What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for a shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you? This is probably one of my least favorite but exciting moments of art. I've got the settings to 600 dpi, so it's actually pretty clear. I could zoom in and I could see the texture of graphite color pencils. It's just really fun, but waiting for them to scan is like so boring. We are done scanning them. I designed all of my Peachtober series based on Lou, because for the past few years I didn't incorporate my little buddies inside Inktober. I am in the middle of having a character but playing it with art styles at the same time. It's kind of a different niche. I had a conversation with Athena last week and we were talking about, like, in English we call ourselves artist. Artist contains creators, musicians, and illustrators, and painter, and things like that. Animator, all of these. But in Mandarin, artist is called 画家. 画家 is more like they do really artistic pieces and they paint. There is a phrase, 插画家 is more like illustrator, which you draw things that is more casual and kind of cute. Another new phrase is called 图文创作者, is like really cute quotes and really simple characters. And there is also a phrase called IP 角色. You have a character, you have a main character. Something like Lou. My friends often ask me which one do I refer to. and it's always kind of hard for me to explain because I feel like I'm in the middle of IP and 画家. Like, I play with styles, I have a character, I'm in the middle of both. I've been trying to change JC Studio more into Liu and Rocky based. I try to bring them more into my art because I always feel like it's kind of too separated apart. I've been introducing Liu and Rocky to people, but inside of my art, they don't appear often. I don't know how to introduce myself because I feel like I don't have a mainstream of what I wanted to do. And that's why last year, Peachtober, I decided to bring them into my regular everyday art and made a whole series of them. We currently have all of the available art scanned up. I would show you guys how I make stickers. Okay, let's start with blue. I used Photoshop to edit my art. So let's just drag this inside, trim it. Let's just crop it to the size that I want after for the zine. And save as. It's day 9. So I would name it as day 9 blue. And we got that set up, and now we could start removing the little dust that captured in the scanner. Tap on wherever I think is not the original art and has nothing to do with the sketch. Or like this part. Sometimes it's possible to accidentally rub the paper together and make dirty spots, so I'll just remove it. I don't usually change the designs of my illustrations. I like to keep it as raw as I could. I feel like that's the main point of traditional art. For parts like this is totally an accident. I don't have to keep that. Yep, and like this part, I probably accidentally dropped water on it. Like this. That looks quite okay. Little part dust. Let's just trace it all the way. My friend suggested that I can use the quick selection tool, but I prefer to do it this way so that the edges would be a lot more sharper. Like this, we have it all traced up. And after I'm done tracing it, I go to this bar, which is path. Select the worked path and drag it to load path as selection. Like this. Just drag it down here. The path you drew out with the pen tool would be a selection. And I would Command C, copy it. If you copy it, it would copy the exact same size. So I usually don't edit this part. It's currently 72, but I need to print this out, so I would be setting it to 300 CMYK for printing. The background, I usually would use transparent. Command V to paste it on here. We are done with the sticker file. I used a website called Sticker So Fast. It is a manufacturer in Taiwan. It's something really like Sticker App, but Taiwanese version. The needs of making stickers are pretty much the same, so I could still use the same method to show you guys how I made them. I would upload the PNG file of the sticker, and then they would have a preview over here. The orange line over here is the cut line, which they have automatically. You could see that this part is outside, which won't work. I have to make the cut lines myself for this piece, and let me just show you how I make the cut lines. Stroke 90 pixels, CMYK K100. So I press OK. By doing so, we would have a really even outline over here. When we make the cut lines, we need to avoid sharp angles. Lock transparent pixels and use K100 to color in all of the parts. And now this would be the outer shape of the stickers, and the stickers would look like this. I will upload the document that we just made over here. So there are a few options that I could choose for the sticker. There is permanent glue. I think it's like you could only use the sticker once, and when you peel it off, it would break the sticker. I usually don't choose that one. I would choose the one that is possible to like re-stick it on other places. And then I would just add it to my cart and we are ready to print the stickers. I usually print 5 at a time. And oh, look at the surprise, our sticker. My stickers are featured for the sample ones right below. Hi, what a surprise. So that is basically how I made my stickers without an iPad, because I didn't use iPad the whole way through. I just needed a scanner, computer, and Photoshop and art. We could make these stickers. I'll be repeating the process for the other sticker designs. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. I would continue to create all of those stickers.
Used to be easier to give than to take. Used to think everyone would treat me the same, but now I'm calling back my energy from every.
I'm drawing a slingshot. I originally wanted to flick R.O.C out, like in different perspective, and then I think of adding Lou. I don't want to miss out Lou in this piece, and R.O.C is just over here, and Lou is like looking at R.O.C, and the final sketch is over here. I will start painting this. Haven't used gouache in a long time. Just look at all the dust on top. Yay, let's start painting. I miss painting a lot. I added purple, refilled my white gouache. I actually rarely use purple in my art, so that's the reason why I don't have purple in the first place. Yep, I have work tomorrow, so good night. Last night, I think I couldn't sleep. I don't want to sleep, and I'm like, maybe I could draw some art and some freestyle art. And by the way, I added purple, so let's draw with purple. So I started off with this flower, purple, and then I finished this spread without using any other purple. I guess I just don't have purple in my palette. This is so funny, especially when you know the reason why I started drawing this. It's all because I wanted to try out drawing with purple. It is currently 2:30 and I actually just woke up. I slept for probably 14 or 15 hours. Wow. It is probably my first time sleeping for so long in 10 years. Yeah, because it's afternoon, I want to go outside to feel less anxious about, time is gone and I slept through the whole day. I sent out a few stickers to print, and I will be doing that back and forth, like drawing, scanning, printing, drawing, scanning, printing, and we'll get the zine done in no time.